is Novia Andrea Kachayani. I'm from Multimedia 1, grade 12. Now, I will explain a few things you need to know. Graphic design is communicating process using visual elements such as typography, photography, and illustration that are intended to create a perception of message be delivered. The purpose of graphic design is a way of communicating in a visual from using image facilities to convey information or message as effectively as possible. To start the tutorial, we need hardware such as a laptop or computer, and the software uses Adobe Illustrator to create a typography logo. Okay, let's start. First, tap on the menu bar, select the file, then click New. Set the size and color mode as needed and click OK. Then, click the ellipse tool and pull the tool until it forms a perfect circle. After that, select the knife tool, make 3 lines by cutting the circle. Draw the circle that has been cut. Make 3 text as desired by clicking the Type tool. Set the position of the circle slice to be at the top of the text. Drag and slash object. Select Erase to bring to front. After that, make one by one the text and pieces. Click Object. Select Envelope Distort, then click Make. With top object. The other object, repeat the same thing. Next, each object is put together by dragging. Select it in the menu below Object by clicking Group, then Repeat by clicking Expand. Check the fill on an object section. Click OK. Make the object that has been made into 3 copies by clicking the object simultaneously. Press Alt then drag. Determine the color using the Gradient tool. Put the remaining 2 objects in the middle, then reduce one object and place it at the bottom by clicking Arrange Send to Back or Bring to Front. Drag to object, click on the object menu bar, then select Blend. Click Make. Next, click Blend, select the Blend option, select Spacing to be specified text, set the size to 80, click OK. Finally, the remaining one of the object change to another color. Then place it according to the other object. Done!